These AI time-lapse videos are going crazy and people are getting massive views from it. If I want to create renovation videos like this, the first thing I will do is to head over to Pinterest and search a story building of my choice. Next is to open my Google Gemini app and click on Create Image. Now upload the picture you downloaded from Pinterest and copy the prompt from the doc. The link is in the description and paste it. Boom! Your abandoned version is ready. Download it. Now upload the abandoned version, paste prompt 2, and generate. Now you get the renovation mid-stage image, download it too. Now it's time to turn these images into satisfying videos. Open Google Flow and click on Frame to Video. Now upload the abandoned image and the mid-stage image, copy the video prompt and paste then you generate. Perfect, your first transformation clip is ready. For the second video, upload the mid-stage image and the first image you downloaded from Pinterest. Paste the second video prompt and generate. Now your final transformation clip is also ready. Now open your editing software, import both clips, add some quick cut, smooth transition, and soft music. Now here is your final time-lapse renovation viral video. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe.